So overall here I have my socket fan. I really love it. Right now the light is on, the fan is on. I can just put the light off and have the fan running. It has the 3 speeds. Wonderful for the nighttime. On the first speed, it will keep me cool while I'm sleeping. You see that I did have the extender arm. I put the extender arm on my little fan here. I thought that the fan would wobble when I put the extender arm on, but it does not. Even when I put the fan on speed 3, it is solid. This fan is fantastic. You can put it in your bedroom, in your kitchen, anywhere you have a socket. It's as easy as changing a light bulb. You can move it around with you. If you have an apartment, you can just use this and take it with you when you leave. It's a fantastic fan. It's got so many different options. If you look at my other videos, I go through all of them. It is really affordable. And do not let the small fan fool you. It is super powerful. And one of the best things is I don't have to get a duster in there to clean it. I don't have this huge fan that I need to get electrical in order to put it up. This thing is easy to clean. I can just unscrew it from the socket. I can pop off the blades, rinse them because they're made of a very durable, thick plastic. I can wash them and pop them back on, and everything is super clean, super easy. Also very easy to transport wherever you go. Highly recommend it.